Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Today is June 5th. Today is a Wednesday. As you all can see, I am currently in gym attire. I'm going to show you guys my gym attire. Also, I did make a video haul of my Shein activewear, so please go check it out. It really does help this channel out a lot. I need to know what you guys are interested in and what you guys are not interested in. And yeah. But yeah, let me show you all. So this is it. Isn't it cute? I love it so much, and it's super comfortable. The fabric is so soft and it's thick, and yeah, I really like it a lot. So I just wanted to talk to you guys really quickly before I head out to the gym. Me and Vader's gonna talk to you guys. So I am leaving this boy on Friday, actually, in 2 days. So I am going to North Carolina. Let me turn this up because I don't want yes. So I am going to North Carolina to visit family members, particularly really my great-grandmother, and she just built a house out there, so I'm gonna go visit her, see the new house, and I'm gonna get a feel for it, see if this is where I'm going to be living soon. This boy is staying here. I just got him like an automatic cat feeder, so he's not hungry when I'm out of here. But yeah, it's gonna be only for like 3 days. I hope it's fun. I really hope so. Like, there's nearby lakes. I believe it's like near the mountains, so I really hope I can enjoy myself. I wish I could take him with me, but next time when we're officially moving. But yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. I didn't drink any water, so if you hear my throat a little raspy, that's why. I'm gonna drink some water right now, actually. I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'm not too sure of what I'm gonna be recording. But yeah, this is gonna be a couple of days leading up to the airport, I believe. We'll see. But yeah, so far I have these days off. I don't know if it's gonna be me recording today, like a little bit of it, and then skip to Friday. I don't know yet, but we shall see. All right, you guys, so I'm about to head out. I did want to show you all the automatic cat feeder that I got. So this is it. It just needs batteries, but when I plug it in, it does turn on. I don't know. I really wish I read it more in the description that I was going to need batteries, because this is just a headache at this point. So we are What's up, guys? So today is June 6th, the day before my trip to North Carolina. I am currently getting ready to go to the gym again. Today, I'm not 100% what I want to work on today. I think I'm going to do upper body. I love doing lower body. I know a lot of people, they don't like lower body, like legs and stuff like that, but I love lower body because I just know that my stuff is growing. And I just hate the fact that these chicks be on the machine, the squat rack, for hours, okay? For hours, thinking that their booty, their glutes, their tush, their bum is gonna grow magically within those hours or in that day, that same day. It's so annoying because I'm like, damn, it's hogging it up and it crap ain't go. Like, stop it. Like, it should not take that many hours to be on the squat rack machine. At least with me, I'm on there for, is 30 minutes a lot? Let me stop. No, I'm on there at least for 10 minutes because I know it's not that serious and there's other machines. So yeah, I hate that. And I know exactly today's Thursday and it's what, something in the morning. It's gonna be all packed and used and I'm gonna be so annoyed. I wasn't gonna go. I programmed my mind that I was gonna go, but for some reason I just was not in that mood. But I'm gonna go because I'm not gonna be working out for the next 3 days since I'll be away. So I'm just gonna do that, and then when I come back, I'm also gonna work out that Tuesday, God willing. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Get this workout out the way because I don't feel like myself when I'm like not working out. So I need to work out. Oh my gosh, you guys remember this song? Fireflies? I used to, wait, I gotta hear the song now. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh, my eyelash is like literally trying to fall apart. Believe your eyes, 10,000 fireflies. Fell asleep. Everywhere. Stop and stare. Trying to say bye to Vader. It's hard. Vader, I'll see you on Monday. Vader. Love you. Oh, my poor baby. All right, guys. We are heading out. Give me a high five. No? Okay, he's like mad. All right, be good. You guys, he's literally following me. Bye, Vader. Bye. Love you. Be good. Look at this. Who is that person there? Who is that person? That is me. My grandmother had it set up for me, which is super pretty. I love it here. Honestly, love, love. Look at my bedroom. Look at the storage thing. I have my book, my little closet, and then I have my bathroom. Everything is just so pretty. So right now, I'm gonna go eat and spend some time, but it's so just wanted the phone. Taking a picture of the cat in every form.
In every form. She did a little rollover for me earlier.
Aww.
Roll onto your belly for us.
Yes. Oh, okay. Where are you going?
Nemesis, where are you going?
Oh, she wants.
Hi.
Mm. Oh, she gave me a pat. Hey, Nemesis. Nemesis. Hey. Hey. Ooh, TNT.
Which one they might have?
ABC. No, it's asking which ones do you
Cause yeah.
I don't watch PBS Kids. You don't watch.
Hey guys, so I am getting ready for bed. Today was pretty nice and peaceful. I spent time with my family. We went to the lake, as you all saw, and yeah, just catching up. I also got this gift from my grandma, made by my aunt, of Vader. Look at that. Isn't that cute? So it's like a little tumbler. It comes with a straw. And yeah, now I have Vader. This is really cute. I really like this a lot. Just bring it to work with me. So it was a nice little gift. It also has my name on it. You guys can see it. I am super exhausted from like the whole plane ride and stuff. So yeah, I'm about to get ready for bed. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning.
turned it on so I could elevation worship. Oh my God. I have a TV. Huh? You come at the perfect time. Perfect time. Yes, perfect time. I was heading for a bigger TV. The wall here is so big. I feel amazing. Yeah, later on. Yeah, when I get money together, I'm going to buy a 65 inch and put it up on the wall. But right now, this is good. Yes, don't put it in my bedroom or anything. Yeah, beautiful.
Such old pictures. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at me, guys. This is what I'm talking about when I say I need photos of me, throwback photos, because, like, what? This is so cute. Look at me. Look at me. Look how chubby. Yes, Grandma?
Taking pictures?
Yeah, with the lighting.
Isn't that beautiful? I
Yeah.
can't believe I had all those pictures so properly in the album.
I know you had them. I'm like, this is what I'm talking about when I asked for photos.
These
This is my mom. My mom looks so annoyed. She was like, hurry up. And look at me. This, oh, I was at her graduation.
This is when she did. I see your mom holding you here.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at this. I was a good-looking woman, you know.
Yes, you were, Grandma.
And look
You
over
still
here.
are.
All these are you. Oh my God, Kira. And this is because Kira.
Mm-hmm.
I have lived in the goodness of God. Yeah, 'cause all my life you have been faithful.
out, and you know, you order the prescription ones and they come in. So
Oh, that's it.
What is your prescription?
Hey guys, so currently I'm still in the boat. It's currently 4:14. I think we got here around 3. So we're just chilling on the boat. Just wanted to update you guys. It's so relaxing here. Admiring nature, and yeah, I really, really love it here. I'm a little unprepared because I could have went inside the water and stuff, but it's okay. But I love it. Just look at this. Look at the background. And this is my view. I really love it here. It's like very peaceful and quiet. So, yeah. I feel like I want to sleep.
Yeah, you've done this stuff.
Yeah, with the AC.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Right now, I'm outside. Just finished having breakfast, and yeah, today we are going to be adventuring at the winery. Super excited for that. I look a little crusty, but that's okay. We're leaving around 10:45. It's like 10:10, so yeah, we'll see how this all plays out. You guys probably can't see me right now, but yeah.
Here, come take this.
Turned on the sprinkler, and I kind of want to like get in it. Yes. Yo, that was hilarious. I just got sprinkled on. Alright guys, so this is the fit. And we are headed to the brewery. I'm excited. But yeah. So I will see you guys soon. And I'm bringing this too. I gotta fix this. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna be too hot wearing this. But yeah, this is the fit. So, yeah.
Huh? Okay. No, we didn't mind. Okay. Vineyard. Isn't it beautiful? Look here on both sides. This is the Great Harbor.
Yeah.
These two and see which one I like the best.
So that Riesling is award winning. It's won a lot of awards in international wine competitions. It even won above some Rieslings in upstate New York and Finger Lakes region.
It's the best. And I don't like sweet wine. Taste that. It is the best.
This blackberry is.
Is this the Riesling?
Yes.
This one right here, yeah.
And then this blackberry, a lot of people like to bake with it. So you can make like a blackberry cake or blackberry ice.
It's good, right?
That's really, really good.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm trying it.
Great.
Yeah.
I like the
I can give you
Riesling.
the sweet rosé after if you want.
Okay, this one's good.
There you go.
You said people like to bake with it?
Yeah.
Because I like to bake my Christmas cake.
Try this.
Which one is blackberry?
This is the Sunset Blackberry. I know you don't like sweet, but it's really good.
Oh, yes. This
Oh, that
is
tastes
good.
like juice. I would
Cranberry.
Yeah, I would drink this just.
This
like,
is good.
Sitting and eating
Yeah.
dinner or something.
I like this.
You got the Sunset Blackberry, right?
It is good.
the sangria is like.
You say you like sweet wine, so
Yeah, that was
Try this one.
that was very, very different. Grandma.
Bistro set.
I have to leave them.
Sunset blackberry. Which one you like? You said it's too sweet.
I would bake with that.
You wouldn't? Yeah.
I would bake with Manischewitz. Manischewitz grape Concord. When you bake with that, you could even taste the grape.
Right. This is really good though.
It's good.
I would get a big bottle of that. This is so lovely, Grandma. I don't want to go home. I really don't. Hi guys, so I am getting ready for my bed. I just wanted to chat with you guys. So just a little update that yeah, I'm back home. So after the vineyard, we went back to my aunt's. We had food, we chatted, we laughed, everything. And now I'm back home. Just finished showering. But before that, OMG guys, I got like some weird trolling message on Facebook. It was so freaking weird. I literally had to block and report the person. Yeah, I don't know what that was about, but I did not like it. And yeah, I had to literally tell my friends, like, what the heck is this? It was basically some girl talking about stay away from my man. Like, what? Like, he doesn't want you. Like, I don't get it. And then when you click on the person's page, it says single, but then you see there's a child. I don't know if I was involved with anybody. No, not giving any energy to it. But yeah, that was pretty much it. But I'm getting ready for my bed. I'm gonna pray and hope for the very best. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is travel day, go back home. And I'm really sad because it's back to reality. All right, guys, peace. Good morning, guys. So it's currently 8-something in the morning. Today I go back home. I'm really sad because I love it here. I'm going to wash my clothes, make some breakfast for everyone, and yeah, I leave. I think I'm gonna leave around 2 or 3. My plane departs around 5. So yeah, I'm just taking it all in. It was really nice to be with family and meet new people. I really do love the weather and the new scenery. I love it all. I'm excited to come back. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. I've been loving it, but gotta go back home to reality, priorities, but I do have a goal in mind, so I'm gonna always remember that goal so that I will be back and for good. So yeah, look at this sun just like poking out. I love it. I don't want to leave. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go get some food. your
the
first
first
time.
time.
It's gonna be your first time going on the.
I've been to
plane.
Florida, remember?
Oh yeah. What
I
airline?
think Spirit good. But I didn't take the airline around here. I take the